Welcome to the course. I'm Joe Holbrook. I'll be your instructor for this course. I'm really excited that you're here to learn more about prompt engineering. This is an exciting area in the world of IT, AI services in general, but you don't have to be an AI professional to use prompt engineering. It's really about you learning more about how to create content by translating your thoughts, your ideas into another piece of content that is actually utilizing AI services, LLMs in the background. So we're going to dive into specifically in this course ChatGPT, but also touch on some of the other services that we could use as well, such as Google Gemini, Claude AI, etc. So this course here has been designed specifically to enable you to create the best content that you could create with using these generative AI services. So we have a journey that we're going to embark on. I hope you could join us and learn more about creating content with generative AI services such as ChatGPT. Let's get started.